I don't just make ice cream, I also do hydroponics. Thanks very much for clicking on this video. I really just wanted to touch base and say I've actually started a second YouTube channel about my other passion, which is growing food hydroponically. Now, this is a physical business I have in Canada. I've just started in Canada. We've got a product that is going through certification right now. It is down there, that little black thing in the corner right over there. As we get to certification, I'll expand a bit more about it, but these are some of the things that I just grow every day. I keep them in jars on the top. It's nice and easy to do. Look at that, how easy it is. So I really just wanted to do this video to say I would really appreciate if you head on over to Art Verde Hydroponics and Gardening. I'll put a link in the description. I'll put a link up here. If you could subscribe, and if you're interested in hydroponics or just growing fruit, vegetables and herbs, follow along, because I'm gonna link both channels together and make ice cream with some of these amazing ingredients. So thanks for this quick update, and I'll see you on the other channel.